Now, there are some other considerations, because this is where I want to sort of put the pseudo plug for the bullion dealer side of things. So if you're doing that and your sizable position, you're selling to like 100 different individuals, you can almost guarantee that in this modern Big Brother society right now, you are going to get flagged by your bank. You are going to have questions from your bank. And if you're not going to get questions from your bank, you can bet your bottom dollar that your bank is going to report that money to HMRC. HMRC will then have a look at your situation and tell me, and I tell you from my own personal experience, and HMRC have audited me last year. I've sat with HMRC people in my living room talking about my own personal finances and tax affairs and going through my own tax and bookkeeping. They will go through things with the fine-tooth comb. If you're selling a bunch of your stuff and it's just personal investments that you're selling, great. But be aware that if you're going to be doing this over a long period of time, that there could be an interpretation that you're trading. So you need to have the records, you need to have the emails, the back and forth, the payments. You have to have all of this record keeping really quite importantly stored. The other faceted problem is going to be capital gains tax. So if you're selling items that are not capital gains exempt, and in fact, I reached out to the gentleman that was selling all of this stuff on the Silver Forum to say, if you need help, I'm here, just get in touch. And he was quite happy to go and do it himself, absolutely fine. But I said, if he wanted help to do it, then I'm here. He then said that he's being very selective with what he's selling, all of his capital gains stuff only, because the capital gains chargeable assets that he bought, they're up so much that he can't sell very much without going over that profit threshold and having to pay taxes.